We have got exciting news for all you dotFIT fans and fitness enthusiasts. You asked, and we listened. Introducing our brand new Unflavored Creatine Monohydrate. This is the same high-quality creatine you love, now with even more versatility. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more updates and fitness tips. We know a lot of you love our flavored creatine. It's been a top seller for a reason. But we've also heard from so many of you who wanted a flavorless option. Why? Because sometimes you just want your supplements to work seamlessly with whatever you're drinking, without clashing with the other flavors. Our flavored creatine is still perfect for adding a bit of taste to plain water or enhancing your pre-workout drink. But for those of you who like to mix creatine with your protein shakes, green juices, or other supplements, the unflavored option is the ultimate solution. So what is creatine and why is it so popular? Creatine is one of the most studied and effective sports supplements on the market today. It's naturally found in small amounts in foods like meat and fish and is also produced by our bodies. But to experience the full benefits of creatine, like improved strength, enhanced performance, faster recovery, and brain health, you need to supplement with it. Let's go over the benefits. Number one, it improves strength and power. It helps your muscles produce energy during high-intensity exercise, making it ideal for strength training and explosive movements. Number two, it supports muscle growth by creating a more anabolic or muscle-building environment for growth. Number three, it helps speed recovery. It reduces muscle cell damage and soreness after intense workouts. Number four, it enhances performance. Whether you're sprinting, lifting, or doing any high-intensity activity, creatine helps you go harder for longer. Number five, creatine supports brain health. Studies suggest creatine may also improve cognitive function, especially in periods of mental fatigue. And lastly, creatine supports healthy aging. This includes protecting the skeletal muscular system throughout life. Creatine is for just about anybody looking to improve their physical performance. It's especially great for anyone who falls into these categories. Number one, those strength training or bodybuilding who want to increase their muscle mass. Group number two would be endurance athletes who want to maintain energy during high-intensity bursts, as well as help them prepare for their next bout of exercise. Number three, recreational gym goers looking to recover faster and get more out of their workouts. Group number four, it's also very effective for vegetarians and vegans who might have lower natural creatine stores due to dietary restrictions. And the last important group of users that tend to shy away from creatine the most are females. However, females can get the same benefits and sometimes even more when compared to males. Creatine helps females make greater gains due to typically having lower creatine stores from consuming less in their diet. Using creatine is simple. You take 5 to 10 grams per day depending on overall goals and body weight. If you're new to creatine and are interested in loading, you can start with a loading phase of 20 grams per day, which is split into 4 servings, for the first 5 to 7 days, followed by the standard 5 to 10 grams daily. As for timing, creatine is most effective when taken consistently. You can take it pre-workout, post-workout, or any time of day that works for you. You can learn all about specific dosages, including weight-based dosing and specific loading protocols on our creatine monohydrate product page. We're so excited about this unflavored option. It gives you total flexibility. You can mix it with water, juice, or your post-workout protein shake without worrying about clashing flavors. At dotFIT, we're committed to giving you the highest quality supplements. Like all of our products, our unflavored creatine is rigorously tested for purity and potency, so you can trust that what's on the label is what's in the tub. We even go a step further with it being NSF certified for sport. Whether you're a fan of the flavored creatine or you prefer the new unflavored option, we've got you covered. Both deliver the same incredible benefits. You simply get to choose what works best for your routine and taste preferences. So if you've been waiting for a more flexible way to take your creatine, the wait is over. Head to dotFIT.com to grab your tub of unflavored creatine today and experience the difference for yourself.